Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Bypass valve air injection system. What is the difference between anti-lag and two-step? What is anti-lag in cars and trucks? Anti-lag is a system designed to keep the turbocharger charged and ready to generate boost even when the driver is not accelerating, such as during gear changes or when the accelerator is released. This helps eliminate turbo lag, providing faster engine response. In other words, anti-lag, or ALS, is a system that works with turbocharged engines to keep the engine pressurized with boost. It keeps your turbocharger spinning, so that when you hit the throttle, all the horsepower and all the torque are, in essence, ready for war. How does anti-lag work? How anti-lag works varies depending on the type of system, but the basic principle is to keep the turbo spinning at high speed. Here are some common methods: delayed ignition and additional fuel. When the throttle is released, the anti-lag system delays ignition and continues to inject a small amount of fuel. Combustion in the exhaust manifold creates hot gases that keep the turbocharger spinning at high speed. Bypass valve. This helps maintain turbo speed. How does anti-lag work? Some high-performance vehicles use systems that inject compressed air directly into the exhaust manifold to keep the turbo spinning. What is anti-lag used for? Anti-lag is common in rally cars and other competition vehicles where instantaneous engine response is crucial. In these situations, any delay in power delivery can mean the difference between winning and losing a race. Delayed ignition and additional fuel. In addition, you should know that the use of anti-lag can reduce fuel efficiency due to additional fuel injection. And something else, it can increase exhaust emissions due to combustion in the exhaust manifold. As you already know, anti-lag is an advanced technology used to improve engine response in turbocharged vehicles, especially in high performance and racing applications. However, tuning fanatics more than once look at it with interest. If this is your case, keep in mind that it is an awesome feature for high-performance cars, but on everyday vehicles it may not be as practical due to these factors. Why does the anti-lag shoot flames? How long Formula 1 engines last? What causes reduced engine power, and how to recover a turbo anti-lag kit. Turbo anti-lag system. The cars that will participate in the Dakar Rally 2024 turbo engines. What is a twin-turbo engine and how does it work? In conclusion, the incorporation of anti-lag systems in competition cars plays a crucial role in enhancing performance by maintaining turbocharger efficiency and reducing turbo lag. This innovative technology, often referred to as bang bang due to the distinctive sounds it produces, allows for a more responsive driving experience by delaying combustion to build pressure in the exhaust gases. As we continue to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, systems like anti-lag will remain essential for achieving peak performance on the track. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more about the fascinating world of automotive technology.